Never trusted him.
Ready?
Oh, look at those pretty ears.
Say ho. You're gonna, don't tease him. Get him some. Pour some. Pour it in the side of his mouth.
Right here.
Oh. Pour it on the side of his mouth.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
You are a silly horse. You're going to waste all your dreams, like.
Okay. Do the showmanship. Walk him halfway up arena, jog him halfway, stop him, and then turn around. Try to...
All the way down?
Now jog him. Look in front of you. Jog all the way around the corner. Jog all the way around the corner. Keep jogging.